To buy with margin on Robinhood, you must first ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. This involves having a specific subscription, which provides access to margin investing. With the first $1,000 of margin included in the subscription, amounts borrowed beyond this will incur interest. Additionally, you need a minimum portfolio value of $2,000 to qualify for margin investing. Once these requirements are met, you can apply for margin investing through the app by opening it, clicking on the profile icon, selecting the three-line menu, and then choosing Investing. From there, you'll find the margin investing section, which will be labeled as Disabled, and you can enable it by clicking on the Enable Margin Investing button. You'll then need to follow the on-screen instructions, which include reviewing the summary of how margin investing works, entering your investor profile details, and reviewing your margin limit. When using margin, you'll begin by fully investing the cash in your account. For instance, if you have $3,000 in your account, with $2,800 in stock and $200 in cash, and you purchase an additional $500 in stock, the first $200 will use your available cash, and the remaining $300 will be borrowed on margin. It's also important to be aware of the interest rate, which is competitive, and to understand that if you borrow $3,000 on margin, the daily interest will be calculated accordingly. For example, without a specific subscription, you'll pay approximately 56 cents per day, and with the subscription, the first $1,000 is interest-free, while the remaining $2,000 will incur approximately 38 cents per day. However, there's also a risk of margin call, where if the value of your securities declines, you may need to deposit additional funds or sell assets to meet the minimum equity requirements. By following these steps and understanding the terms and risks involved, you can buy with margin on Robinhood.